If your Honda CRV's AC feels more like a heater, even when it's cranked to cold, you're not alone. Let's get to the bottom of what's going on. First things first, when your Honda CRV's air conditioner isn't working, it's often the compressor. The compressor is basically the heart of your AC system, pumping refrigerant to keep things cool. But if you're only getting hot air, a few things might be going on. It could be something simple, like a blown fuse or a bad relay stopping power from reaching the compressor. Or your system might be low on refrigerant because of a leak. When there's not enough refrigerant, the compressor just won't kick in. Another common issue is a worn-out clutch or a faulty pressure switch which can stop the compressor from turning on. Sometimes it's even an electrical problem like a loose wire or a bad sensor. So, what should you do? First, check your fuses and relays. If those look good, see if you hear a click when you turn on the AC. That means the compressor clutch is trying to work. No click? It's probably time to see a mechanic. Remember, fixing AC issues can get tricky, so if you're not sure, it's best to ask a pro. Stay cool and don't let your Honda's AC troubles ruin your drive.